This is GoWelding, a 5-in-1 welder and cutter that is specially designed for home DIY, industrial use, and workshop project. Now, let's see how it goes. MIG welding process in GoWelding goes effective and fast. It supports CO2, CO2 mixed gas, and gasless welding. With TIG Welding, GoWelding supports supplying DC argon arc welding and pulsed argon arc welding to meet the needs of DIY hobbyists and professional welders. GoWelding can run at a rate of 200 amps at 60% and reach 100% rate duty cycle at 165 amps when runs on 220 volts. Its peak input power capacity is rated at 7.1 kilowatts. The plasma cutting in GoWelding can cut a 12.7 millimeter thick steel plate. The cold welding mode is capable of welding a 3 millimeter aluminum plate with no fusion or heat. Also, GoWelding can do stick welding, which is ideal for farm, shop, and home use. GoWelding allows to store up to 10 welding settings, including welding mode, voltage, and current in the machine. The choice of 2T or 4T trigger function allows control of the welding process at a professional level from start to finish. For a better welding experience, GoWelding also provides accessories and consumables together with the machine. This is GoWelding, the ultimate 5-in-1 welding and cutting machine that is ready to work and help your project off the ground. Make welding and cutting easier.